I'm putting on makeup. Let's start off with some moisturiser. I love this one so much. Look at that colour. I have quite naturally dry skin and this seems to just melt into it like butter on warm toast. You let me know if I haven't rubbed it in right. This one's by Fierce Nature and it's organic tallow and carrot seed oil. I've been using this for about 2 years, not this exact pot, obviously. It's just so like luxurious. It is called the Luxe Face Balm. I can see why. This took me a while to find actually, but it's an organic foundation and it's titanium dioxide free. I'll leave you guys to do a little bit of research on that if you want, but basically it is potentially linked to some health issues. I love that this comes in a glass jar and just a metal lid, and it works. It's really good coverage. Now I am going to use my finger to dip in, and if that weirds you out a little bit, then you might want to just scroll along. Again, I've been using this brand of foundation for about 2 years and it took me a long time to find it, but I love it so much. I also just prefer to use my hands instead of a brush when putting stuff on my face. Have I rubbed it in all right? I'd say that's all rubbed in. Do you think? Maybe I should tie my hair back actually. That's better. Is it? What's next? Ah, eyeliner. All right, so this is by Fat and the Moon, which I love actually as a brand. And I just use this little angled brush with natural bristles to delicately put some on there. Sometimes I use the lid to just wipe off any excess. And then we paint. Are we still doing winged eyeliner? Because I am in this corner of the internet. This did take a bit of practice at first because I was so used to using an eye pencil. But then when I decided to try makeup with better ingredients and more natural ingredients, I thought, oh, let's give this a go. I actually really prefer it. Even? Not in the slightest, but it's okay. I like to keep things pretty simple when it comes to makeup as well, especially like everyday makeup. So I'm not going to bother doing eyebrows really, apart from a quick brush. Let's do that now, whilst I remember. Does anyone else do one half of something and then forget to do the other half? Like every time I have a shower, I remember to shave one underarm and then somehow, every time, get distracted and forget to do the other one. Mascara. I love this mascara. It took me ages to find one with good ingredients and better packaging. So this tube is made from glass and, oh, I forgot this. Quick. I should have done it before the eyeliner. Oh no, help. Maybe I don't need to bother. Let's go without. Where was I? This mascara wand is actually made from castor bean oil. Although it's still technically kind of a plastic, it's not made from petroleum. This is by a brand called La Bouche Rouge, and it's a really nice mascara as well. I did go through a phase of trying to make my own makeup, and I've probably tried to make mascara about 8 times over the years, and I can't get it right. So when I found one that was actually in decent packaging and works, it was the best day of my life. I remember spending an entire ferry trip to France from England trying to practice raising my left eyebrow because I could just naturally do my right one, but when it came to my left, it was a real challenge. But I wanted to be the person with dancing eyebrows. So eventually, after a lot of focus, this is before screens, before mobile phones, before iPads, I sat for the entire journey practicing, trying to train that muscle to go up without making this one squint too much. And I think it paid off. Or did it? I'm getting distracted. What have we done? What have we not done? Last up is this bronzing contour balm. It's also made from tallow. It comes in a little metal tin. And I just like to put a bit on my teeth. I just like to have a little lick and then put it away again. Put a bit on there. And if I don't do that, then I'll use this homemade lip balm that my son made me. Things like hair and makeup can get so overcomplicated when it doesn't need to be, as long as you remember to brush both eyebrows. Now for the big slow motion reveal. Is there a bird's nest in there? How are we looking? My hair straighteners are broken, so I'm using just a hairband tied up to try and give it a natural wave. I need to get them repaired. Oh, I was going to show you this really quickly. I haven't put any on because I tend to do it more at night time. This stuff, it's tiny but mighty, and my goodness me, it's so helped with my hyperpigmentation, which I had across my top lip for a couple of years after pregnancy, and I've pretty much nearly finished it. It's so nice. Smells incredible. The only trouble I have is remembering to put it on like every night. But when I do remember, I think it makes such a difference and it really helped. So sharing. I think that is everything. Now I feel like I should leave the house.